Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lalaslim here. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my wash day routine, so just keep watching.
Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friend.
I first start off by wetting my hair in the shower until it's completely wet. Now I comb the hair as I'm in the shower with the water running through my hair so that it could be easier for me to detangle it. Now we're going to be doing the same thing to the other side. We're going to be detangling it. We're going to be adding shampoo to our hair so that we can get it nice and clean. You're going to want to massage it in very well so that you can clean the scalp. So now we're going to be adding more shampoo to our hair, and we're going to continue to massage it in. Moving on. So now we're going to be rinsing out the shampoo in our hair, and we want to do a really good job with that so that we can completely clean it and not have anything still in our hair, like any dirt, any buildup, all of that. Make sure that you wash it away, rinse it away. So now we're going to go back in with our detangling brush. You want to do that so that you can get all the knots out and properly detangle your hair. I went under the water a second time to make sure that I got my whole roots clean and that there wasn't any dirt left behind. Now we're going to be adding our conditioner, and we're going to also be combing through our hair after we have added it. I know that in one of my videos I said that it's really bad to overbrush your hair, but this is something that I do only once a week. I don't do this to my hair every day. Also, I would normally be deep conditioning my hair after washing it, but sometimes if I'm in a rush, I just do the conditioning, the regular conditioner in my hair. And that day I was in a rush, so you guys got the regular conditioner. I will be doing a video showing how I deep condition, but for the time being, you can go ahead and check out my protein treatment video. It's going to be showing on the right side of the screen on the top. If you've gotten this far into my video, comment CurlGang at the bottom. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe and share this video because they may be able to help somebody else. Now I'm going to go back under the water so I can rinse out the conditioner. As always, thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share.